Come to know the world of biodiversity and water in one of the most beautiful counties in the Amazon state, Presidente Figueiredo. 170 kilometers from Manaus, the capital of the Amazon state, with a population of 1,800,000 people, through the BR-174 highway that also links the Amazon state to the Caribbean Sea. Presidente Figueiredo is a unique place and must be visited. The easiest and quickest way to get there is through the BR-174 highway that is across the county in the middle and invites the visitor to sail through all sides. The majority of its inhabitants live in the county seat where there is also the public administration of the county. But Presidente Figueiredo has two other districts, the village of Balbina and the village of Pitinga, in addition to a strong rural area and the Indian Reservation, home of the Paimiri Indians. The economy is based on mining in Pitinga, the generation of electricity of a Balbina hydraulic electric power plant, the sugarcane industry, and the family crop in this rural area, and the emphasis on cupuaçu, an Amazonian fruit. The Cupuaçu Festival is annually carried out in the county of Figueiredo, featuring the gastronomy, handcraft, and the products made from the cupuaçu fruit. In fact, Figueiredo boasts a year-round calendar of festivities: Carnacachoeira, the Cupuaçu Festival, the Tucunaré Festival, the Folk Festival, the Patroness Saint Festival. I have people who enjoy dancing and celebrating life. One thing is certain, whoever comes to the Amazon cannot do so without visiting Presidente Figueiredo. The city offers complex to welcome its tourists. It has a network of hotels, lodges, tourist complexes and parks, in addition to a good restaurants, snack bars, and coffee shops. The county offers a wide option for those who wish to practice ecotourism, the rural tourism, the archaeological and speleological tourism, the adventure, game fishing, or simple walk around, enjoy life and rest. While in the city, do not miss the regional breakfast with a menu compressing pupunha, tucumã, tapioca, fried bananas, and sweet delicatessen inspired indigenous and local cuisine. It is amazing for lunch indulge in the fish-based dishes. The city fora offers a bank agency, a hospital, health unit, a telephone company, a post office, a cyber cafe, a police station. On arrival in the counties, look for the Tourism Information Service, CAT. Training staff will provide you with the information you need with safely. Welcome to the world of nature, adventure, relation, and leisure. This is a magical place where the misters of the Amazon forest and the force of its waters stage a show of much life and beauty. The city of the county is bathed by the rapids of the Uruguay, with the art of environment protection known as the Uruguay Park. It has a complex leisure. In Figueiredo, diversity is harmonious, unique, and lives in peace. It is shelters a rich fauna, with some rare and endemic species of peiris, birds, fishes, insects, and amphibians. The Amazonian peixe boi